Hello, I'm Shatbhi Basu, and today I'm going to make you a whiskey sour, and this is especially for people who are afraid of whiskey. Here we go. I'm going to start with a mixing glass. This one actually is a shaker that combines with this can, so we'll see how it goes. I'm starting with the whiskey. In goes the bourbon, a full 60 ml. What I have here is pomegranate juice, so 60 ml of pomegranate juice. So I'm going to add 10 ml lime juice, but I'm also going to use a wedge of lime. Okay, I'm going to squeeze fresh and drop it in. I've got powdered sugar in here, 1 spoon of the powdered sugar. Now, because the color of this pomegranate juice is not too bright, I'm going to use fresh pomegranate just to add color. I'm going to muddle it. See this muddler of mine? So I'm going to muddle a little bit. Now, I'm going to fill this with ice. I will now pour this on the ice. Shut it down. Now I'm going to shake this. Now I'm going to fill my rocks glass with ice. I'm going to use 2 strainers because I want to fine strain it. I don't want any of the pomegranate to come in. Oh, that's really cool. I'm going to put a little pomegranate on top, and I also have a dehydrated orange that I'm going to sit. And that is the most delicious pomegranate whiskey sour. Cheers!